Hello, my name is Tyeisha Lewis, and today I will be giving a presentation on ISTE teacher standards and examples of how these standards have been incorporated into IDT 3600 throughout the semester. ISTE teacher standards are guidelines created to ensure teachers are appropriately and effectively integrating technology within the classroom. There are 5 ISTE teacher standards that guide teachers in assessing, modeling, and engaging students and promoting positive student learning. They are facilitate and inspire student learning and creativity, design and develop digital age learning experiences and assessments, model digital age work and learning, promote and model digital citizenship and responsibility, and engage in professional growth and leadership. The first standard is to facilitate and inspire student learning and creativity. This just says that teachers must use their prior knowledge to facilitate experiences within the classroom that promote student learning, creativity, and innovation. An example of this would be the graphic organizer or concept map that was created to promote student reflection using collaborative tools to reveal and clarify students' conceptual understanding in thinking, planning, and creative processes. Another example of this standard would be the comic strip that was created that modeled collaborative knowledge and construction by engaging and learning with students, colleagues, and others in face-to-face virtual environments. The last example for this standard would be the spreadsheet that was created of nutritional values in fast food restaurants. It engaged students in exploring real-world issues and solving authentic problems using digital tools and resources. This spreadsheet was created using Excel. Standard 2 is to design and develop digital age learning experiences and assessments. This simply says that teachers must maximize learning through technology so students can develop and learn new skills. An example of this would be the interactive learning activities that are created to design or adapt relevant learning experiences that incorporate digital tools and resources to promote student learning and creativity. These websites are to be used on whiteboards, and they enhance student learning by allowing students to physically or digitally move items on the screen from one place to another. Another example of this standard would be my second lesson plan that integrated technology. It provides students with multiple and varied formative and summative assessments that are aligned with content and technology standards and use resulting data to inform learning and teaching. The third standard is model digital age work and learning. This says that teachers exhibit knowledge, skills, and work processes representative of an innovative professional in a global and digital society. An example of this would be my portfolio of this class. It is for me to communicate relevant information and ideas effectively to my peers using a variety of digital age media and formats. All of my work that I've done throughout the semester is displayed on here. Another example of this standard I will use again is my concept map. Students were to collaborate with their peers as well as internet resources to understand information that was taught in the classroom on that particular day. This concept map supports student success and innovation by allowing students to go back and use these words when writing or speaking to sound more formal within their text. The fourth standard is to promote and model digital citizenship and responsibility. This says that teachers understand local and global societal issues and responsibilities in an evolving digital culture and exhibit legal and ethical behavior in their professional practices. An example of this would be our class discussions that we had throughout the course for every lesson. They were to develop and model cultural understanding and global awareness by engaging with colleagues and students of other cultures using digital age communication and collaboration tools. We were to respond to each other and reflect on what we have learned for the week in our class discussion posts. Another example of this standard would be the screen capture that I use to show how to make a hyperlink inside of a Word document. This promotes and models digital etiquette and responsible social interactions related to the use of technology and information. The fifth standard is to engage in professional growth and leadership. This says that teachers continuously improve their professional practice, model lifelong learning, and exhibit leadership in their school and professional community by promoting and demonstrating the effective use of digital tools and resources. An example of this would be, again, my Weebly portfolio, as I participate in local and global learning communities to explore creative applications of technology to improve student learning. Again, I say this Weebly portfolio is for my peers and my teachers to go and look at what I have learned, and we are able to reflect on each other's Weebly portfolio sites. The last example for standard 5 is our class discussion posts. Again, because within our posts, we are evaluating and reflecting on current research and professional practice on a regular basis to make effective use of existing and emerging digital tools and resources in support of student learning.